Hello guys, I want to show you how much time you save if you connect our filling device on a breathing air bottle. So before you have to screw your filling connector into the bottle, and this took time. And unscrewing, and now see how fast it is if you use our filling device. Just connect, save, and begin to fill. Disconnecting, as easy, open, and that's it. Just 2 seconds to connect and 2 seconds disconnect. It's no way faster. Experience our solutions at the FLORIAN trade fair this year in Dresden, Hall 2, stand A7. We're waiting for you.